trucks do. Like pickup trucks.
Yeah.
Have them like built right in. These are like Canadian Tire things. Things are like $3.
Well, my mom, I guess.
Then at this stop sign here, we're going to turn left.
Sure.
Again, looking for little feet around the car.
Left turn?
Yeah.
Poke out to the road.
Yeah, most people stop even with the sign, but that's too far back, and then they only have to stop again. Basically, they got to stop twice, right? If there's a...
Yeah.
Nobody really wants to stop once, so why would they want to stop twice? Stop at the point where you can see.
Yeah.
We're going to make a left turn.
And the sidewalk on this one?
Mm-hmm.
Up here.
Nice, so I think you're going to make my job easy there, Logan.
Hope so.
Yeah. Sometimes I have to go out to a parking lot, just do like figure eights for a whole hour.
Really?
In a
Yeah,
parking lot.
I just think the parking's my own thing, you know? And just the little stuff that you just gotta like get in your head.
Yep. We'll make a left here. We'll be jumping into your second hour any minute there now. Your hill parking.
Hill parking?
Hill parking, yeah.
Yeah, that sounds like something I'm not good at.
You'll see. It's easy once you got it. There's a few details, but it's once you got it, you got it.
Yeah. Just riding this out. There's the dogs again.
Puppies. I believe there's a big pothole in front of us. You can go to the left of it.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
for sure.
crazy.
We'll go right around that one.
That's another Friday night.
Yeah. It was sharp like that too, the edge of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was she going pretty quick or?
Yeah, we were going about 60. It was on Falconbridge Road, actually. Somewhere on Falconbridge.
That was probably kind of scary.
It was pretty jarring, I can tell you that. Wouldn't be the first time, won't be the last time.
Yeah.
It's life on the road, basically.
Yeah.
Then at this stop sign, we're going to make a left turn.
Sure.
This is a three-way intersection.
3 stop signs.
It's also called a T section because it's in the shape of a T.
1, 2.
Then we're going to go right out to the traffic lights again.